This truck was traveling westbound just past exit 42 this morning, approximately 7:30, and veered off the guardrail and down over past Panther Spring Road. And this is what we have. Apparently it was carrying some music, boxes, and this is what it looks like right now. There were two people in the accident. They were both flown. I believe the driver was from California. And this is the path it took down over the hill, up here off Interstate 80. It hit the guardrail. After it hit the guardrail, it traveled approximately 500 feet down over the hill. As you can see here, shearing off trees across Panther Spring Road, which is Metz Road, and ended up here, covering the road, blocking the road. Here you can see a chopper in the air. Here's a look into the back of the trailer as we're coming down the hill. Looks like a bunch of music boxes. There's some of the equipment that was displaced out of the vehicle. And we're going to take a look at the front of the cab here. Take a look back at the path that it traveled down off the embankment. You can see Interstate 80 above you. What's that? No kidding.